A howling blizzard swirls, snow piling on every roof, while a single warm lantern trembles in a window, its glow the only light in the night. Inside, families shiver, fear and cold closing in, hoping for a sign. Brave Flicker darts onto the lantern, catching its glow and feeling the warmth surge. With a burst of light, Flicker soars across the snow-covered rooftops, leaving a sparkling trail that turns darkness into a path of hope. Villagers follow the luminous trail, each step guided by Flicker's glow toward safety. The trail leads them to warm hearths. The blizzard recedes as hope shines brighter than the storm. What tiny act of courage will you share to light up someone's night this holiday season?